Are you a teacher struggling to find time for math and literacy review activities? Do you want to engage your students in critical skill review but don't have time to plan and prep review activities? If so, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share some efficient and engaging math and literacy review activities that will save you time and help your students make meaningful progress in their content skills. Let's dive in. What's kicking, educational rock stars? Welcome back to another episode of Teaching Made Easy, where I strive to bring you practical tips, inspiring stories, simple classroom systems that actually work, and expert insights to help you become a more effective and confident K-5 teacher. I'm your host, Vera, the Center Fairy, and in each episode, we'll explore different aspects of teaching, from lesson planning and classroom management to student engagement and professional development. If this is your first time joining me here on the channel, be sure you hit that like and that subscribe button and click that bell so that you get notified when I go live or upload a new video here on the channel. This week we are chatting all about math and literacy review activities for busy elementary school teachers. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage, turn up the volume, and get ready to be inspired and empowered. Let's go. As a teacher, I know how challenging it can be to find time for review activities while juggling a busy schedule and numerous responsibilities. That's why I'm excited to share some of my favorite math and literacy review activities that will help you engage your students while maximizing your time. One of the most time-saving ways to review math and literacy skills is through no prep printables. These resources provide a quick and efficient way to review important concepts without requiring extensive planning or prepping time. We offer a variety of no prep printables, including our Spiral Review and Review in a Snap series that are perfect for busy teachers. Now, our Spiral Review is a series of daily no prep math and literacy printables designed for kindergarten through second grade students. These printables offer a quick and effective way to review critical skills such as addition, subtraction, phonics, and sight words. With Spiral Review, you can save time on planning and prepping while still providing your students with the review they need to make meaningful progress in their skills. Our Review in a Snap is another fantastic resource from our team of highly qualified and certified teachers. These no prep monthly printables are designed to provide engaging review activities for kindergarten through fifth grade students. With a variety of activities such as writing prompts, word searches, and math problems, our Review in a Snap offers a fun and efficient way to review critical skills. Now, while no prep activities are a great way to save time, hands-on centers offer an engaging way for students to review their skills. We have a wide range of hands-on centers, including our Math and Literacy Center bundles, that are designed to provide engaging and interactive review activities. These centers are easy to set up and can be used over and over again, making them a valuable investment for your classroom. Now, our bundles offer a comprehensive set of hands-on centers that covers a variety of critical skills for grades K through 5. These centers include activities such as sight word building, addition and subtraction puzzles, and letter sound matching. By using these centers, students can review important skills while engaging in a fun and interactive activity. To get the most out of math and literacy review activities, it's important to incorporate a variety of resources and activities into your teaching. No prep printables and hands-on centers offer efficient and engaging ways to review those critical skills, but it's also important to incorporate other activities such as games, songs, and even read-alouds. By combining a variety of review activities, you can help your students retain information and make meaningful progress in their skill development. Incorporating games into your review activities is a great way to engage your students while still reviewing those critical skills. Games such as Bingo, Memory Match, and I Have Who Has offer a fun, interactive way to review important concepts. Songs and chants are another effective way to review critical skills in a fun and engaging way. There are numerous songs and chants available online that are going to cover topics such as sight words, phonics, addition, and subtraction. And by incorporating these songs and chants into your teaching, you can make your review activities more fun and engaging for your students. Read-alouds are also an important component of literacy review activities. By reading books that incorporate critical skills such as phonics and comprehension and modeling, you can help your students develop their reading skills while also reinforcing important concepts. In addition, read-alouds can be a great way to introduce new topics and spark student interest. While it's important to incorporate a variety of resources and activities into your review, investing in quality resources can pay off in the long run. No prep printables, hands-on centers are just valuable resources that can save time and engage your students with their skill review. By investing investing in these resources, you can ensure that you have the tools you need to provide effective and engaging review activities for your students for years to come. Now, like I said, we have a wide range of high-quality math and literacy review resources available in our shop that are perfect for busy teachers just like you. From no-prep printables to hands-on centers, these resources are designed to save time and engage students in critical skill review. Using these resources, you can provide your students with the review they need to make meaningful progress in their skills. Review activities are an essential component of every classroom, but finding the time to plan and implement these activities can be a challenge for busy teachers like you. By using printables and hands-on centers, such as those offered in our shop, you can save time and engage your students in their skill review. Incorporating a variety of resources and activities is going to help you maximize the benefits of review activities and help your students make meaningful progress. Remember to incorporate games, songs, and read-alouds into your teaching and invest in those high-quality review resources to ensure that you have the tools you need to provide effective and engaging review for your students. With these tips and resources, you can make your review activities a fun and engaging part of your students' education. Now, if you're looking for more tips, strategies, and simple systems to take back into your classroom to make your teacher life easier, check out the videos on your screen. Thanks for watching, and keep being an educational rock star.